Today we have a palace. Yeah, I'm not joking. It's a palace, not a villa. Let me go into details. Let me start with the surrounding of this palace. This palace location is really significant and really attractive because we are in Buyukcekmece, the coastal area in Istanbul, the calm area of Istanbul. Here we have in the palace a swimming pool, 6 meters swimming pool, but also 350 meters away from the coast. You can just go walking to the sea. Here is the first gate of the palace, and there is another gate. So this palace has 2 gates. The palace land area is 1,000 square meters, and 30% of it green areas. As you can see, it's not really green right now, but it will be green when you buy it. And here is the inside of the palace. As you can see, the style here is a classic. But once you buy here, you can just keep it like this, or you can just change it. Let me show you more. Well, let me start with the first living room. Why do I say the first? Because this palace has 6 living rooms. Yeah, I'm not joking again. 6 living rooms. And there are more surprises about this beautiful and big palace. Stay with me. Here we are at the second floor. Let's see the first floor. And by the way, this palace is 4 floors. Come on. In this floor, there is a hall here, and there is the first kitchen. I'm gonna tell you why the first kitchen. And then we have 2 storage rooms behind the camera. In total, in the palace, they have 4 storage rooms. Well, on this floor, let's start with this bedroom. This is a master bedroom because there is a bathroom here and there is also a clothing room over here. This room is really big. Well, let me tell you that this palace has 16 bedrooms. Yeah, it's that big. 16 bedrooms. I'm coming here from a little corridor that connects the 2 parts of the palace. Yeah, the 2 parts. Because in order to fit the 16 bedrooms in this palace, it has to be in 2 parts. So this is the second part of the palace. And by the way, there is a big balcony over here that overviews the swimming pool. Here is the first kitchen. And again, let me tell you that this is the first kitchen because the palace has 4 kitchens. Yeah, the space is really wide. As you can see, the table is really big and really comfortable here when you sit. And there is no need when you get hungry to go to the kitchen on the other side. No, there is 4 kitchens here in this palace, so you can cook wherever you want. In order to fit 16 rooms in this palace, you should have at least 2 parts. Well, this palace has 2 parts. This is the first part, and this is the entry of the second part. Well, here is the last floor of the palace. As you can see, it's considered to be a stand-alone flat. Yeah, because we have here a living room, and also you can have your own bedroom here over there. And we have a terrace, if we can call it a terrace, and a bathroom. So again, let me tell you that this is a stand-alone flat from the palace itself. Yeah, sure, it's for sale, yeah. This palace is for sale for a very good and convenient price.
You just need to contact Imtilak Real Estate. See you.